The Stiga CS100E chainsaw. Now before we look at the chain and the guard, there's a couple of things to think about. Yeah, it's the same principle exactly. I think we'll actually look at it on the ground because it might be a bit easier to show you a couple of things. First of all, you've got the battery just the same. They fit most Stiga pieces of equipment. Let's look at the top and I can show you. All the green lights are up. So that's a fully charged battery. Now if I lift it up and show you, you just literally, that slides in. You heard it click. That's the power. Now, the other important thing with the chainsaw is this chain, which is here. There's the guard to protect you because this is very, very sharp. And remember that this Stiga tool is a chainsaw. Okay, I'm a professional gardener, but this is designed for someone to use in their own garden, cutting logs or trimming off the odd piece of a tree. They are dangerous. Let's just be very, very plain about that. Some nasty accidents happen with chainsaws. Do not cut things when there's children about, and keep the blade well away from yourself. Before we start using it, it's off, it's safe. In here we have basically oil, and you're thinking, hang on, it's an electric machine, what have we got oil in it? Always check the oil level. You can see, I don't know whether you can see, it's gone dark. It's full of oil right to the top. I've topped it up. Always use chain oil, very important, because it's the right viscosity to actually run out onto the chain. It keeps the chain lubricated along here. See that that's done. You have a safety handle here that locks. That is locked. That is unlocked. Have it locked. Okay. The other good thing about this, I'm going to go right through it, is that to adjust the chain, all you have to do is undo that, turn that, and it will tighten it. Now what I'm trying to show you is, it's a new chain, it's a new saw. It should be, you should be able to just gently pull that out and show the bottom of the teeth up to the bottom of here. I'll do that once more. If it's like that, that is slack enough. It will heat up and loosen, and you may have to, over a period, adjust it. Very simple. Undo that, adjust that up or down, and it will pull the chain in and out. A great system. So what else? We've got a button on here which is on off, but it's locked, isn't it? So it's not working. So we unlock it. And there you are. There's it running. So there are. There's your chainsaw. Powerful little thing. Let's have a go and just show you what it can do. I'm just going to demonstrate on one branch. We've got a very old piece of apple tree here. I will show you how I'll do it. I normally would cut it. I'm going to keep this new piece of growth, so I would cut it off at about here and then neaten it up by cutting it back to there. I always undercut. Stand well away from your saw. That is an undercut. Let's see whether I've done that. And then just didn't that go through well? Now we'll just demonstrate for the sake of it. We'll tidy this up. Look at that, a nice neat job. That's the Stiga CS100E. Here on World Radio Gardening, we like to test equipment to see whether it's any good. Powerful little machine. In the future, I'll be able to tell you how long it lasts for its running time. I haven't got time to cut the whole tree down today, but in the future we'll be cutting some bigger trees. We're going to cut all the branches off a big tree, and I'll be able to tell you how long this battery lasts on this machine. That's it for now.